At aakyat na tayo papunta na sa last na ride or last.
We will have 3 stopovers. So every stopovers po, may 5 minutes po tayo for picture day. So yung tatlong stopovers natin, first amphitheater or flower garden, next Tinubdan, and the last one, Lola's Garden. Welcome to the hydroponic greenhouses. Hydro means water, ponic means working. So water working po siya. Gumagamit lang po kami ng coconut husk ground.
Hey guys! At ngayon, nandito tayo sa first stop ng tour sa amphitheater at picture kami dito sa frame at namaya dun sa rainbow at yay! At dito ay maraming bulaklak. Imported and local bulaklak. And yay! Selfie! At malapit 5, 6, 7, and buhok ko! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to the next stop. Rainbow. Sunflower. This is mangosteen. We're going to Cultural Village. And yeah, it's that Davao.
Okay, so you look that it is a cultural village.
And now we are here in the second stopover sa Tinubdan or the origin. Yeah. Hey guys, ngayon dito kami sa Tinubdan kung saan ang origin ng mga tribes sa Davao. Yeah. Example of their costumes. Ta-ding! Yeah. At ngayon. And the couples. Then exit natin sa exit. Sa may exit. Now we are done with second stop and proceed to the next stop and last stop. Now we are in the second stop. Third and last. We are done in our tour. Lolo! Tamang-tama, kainan na. Lunch na. This is RJ. Ngayon ay pepesto na kami para sa buffet. Sa lunch. Yeah. Smile! Oh, smile. Hey guys, ngayon ay lunch time. This is buffet. Mayat ka na ito. Hey, ayos ka. Nandito kami ngayon sa Deer Park. Sabi ng tour guide, ang walang horn ay babae. At merong horn ay yeah. Dinner is done! Yay! And now we're going to Butterfly Garden.
Huwag kayo yung ganyan ang katakutan ko parang mama. Sigaw sila. Nakaisa lang man siya pa pag naaglawa, pagbalik wala.
Duha mo na kay layong lamay niya.
At ang aming sakyan ngayon ay Sky Cycle. Sky Rider. Bye-bye! Hey! Woo! So yeah, ship down! At aakyat na tayo papunta na sa last na ride or last station ng Skyride. Yay! Oh no! Yay! Bye-bye! Woohoo!